From production to consumption, the cork industry presents an exhilarating field of activity. It has the special attribute of speaking Portuguese, whether we look at its history, become immersed in the present, or look towards the future. Portugal is the market leader in all steps of the value chain. The country produces an average of 185,000 tonnes of cork per year. This amount corresponds to 54% of world production. It is the vital material that supplies an essential industry for the national economy. The cork industry provides 15,000 jobs and generates exports of around 900 million euros per year, representing 33% of all forestry product exports. 90% of the cork produced is destined for the export market. 60% of transactions globally originate in Portugal, rising to 86% if we also consider manufactured cork products. These statistics make Portugal the world leader in cork production, the world leader in cork manufacturing, and the world leader in cork product exports. An outward-looking sector, the majority of the cork industry is comprised of micro and small-scale companies and encompasses around 1,000 manufacturing units. Cork businesses are distributed across 12 districts, but the largest industry concentration is in both Aveiro, municipality of the Santa Maria de Feira, and Setúbal. There is also a trend towards opening cork factories closer to the raw material, demonstrating that spatial integration of the entire value chain is key in the future. Under the motto of innovation at the service of quality, the cork industry accompanies the pace for demand, rigour and modernisation. These are the maxims that govern our visionary industry. An industry that has made a growing and consistent commitment to innovation in order to foster the excellence of its products. With a firm interest in research and development, investing in more automated technologies, offering better performance and safety, renewing its manufacturing processes and dedicated to training employees, strengthening its brand image in international markets. In short, producing more with greater variety and even higher quality. Striving to attain the highest possible standards of quality in the various production aspects and stages, cork companies now assume that the creation of innovative processes is the main driving force of their business. Fostering renewal, the cork industry never forgets that the management of information and knowledge and use of such knowledge underpins the dimensions of change. The last 15 years have paid testimony to this fact. The industry has evolved in line with advancements in research and development, introducing new quality control practices. Major investments have been made in improving production processes, such as the Quercus initiative, which involve various countries and public and private laboratories in order to study cork in greater depth and its influence in the aroma of wine. Implementation rigour guarantees long-term success. In this regard, it is necessary to achieve compliance with the rules established within the International Code of Cork Stopper Manufacturing Practices. This offers a set of practical standards for manufacturing cork stoppers, originally created in 1996, that continues to be revised and updated in accordance with the latest discoveries and technological advances. An international reference that was promptly adopted by our industry, making it possible to achieve harmonized quality standards throughout the industry, or to be more precise, in all subsectors. The first stage in the cork's industrial process is the so-called preparation subsector. This stage consists in selecting the cork brought in from the cork oak plantations, which is then subject to intensive high-pressure boiling. The objective is to improve cork's elasticity and malleability and eliminate any possible volatile and hydrosoluble compounds. After boiling, the cork planks are stabilized. This is an essential operation which enables the planks to lie flat, lose humidity, and gain the consistency necessary for their subsequent handling. This operation produces cork planks that constitute a significant proportion of the subsector's overall production and serve as the raw material for the cork stopper manufacturing industry. The dregs from the boiling process, byproducts and chips, are sent to the granulating industry. The cork planks are separated according to thickness and visual quality and then pass on to the cutting stage. In this stage, the planks are cut into strips with a slightly greater width than that of a cork stopper. The next stage, punching. The planks are punched using a drill in order to obtain a cylindrical stopper. In another set of machines, the cork stoppers are rectified in order to obtain the final diameters and length. The cork stopper surface is also regularized. The cork stoppers are now ready for washing and disinfection and then placed in a dryer. The visual attributes of the finished cork stoppers are evaluated by an electronic selection process, whereby the cork stoppers are separated into different classes. During the manual selection stage, the various classes are perfected and finalized. Finally, the personalized branding phase, which is carried out in accordance with the customer's request. The cork stoppers are counted, sterilized and packed, and ready for use.